Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Selin's English. I am Taiba speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about Mamun's home district. Mamun's home district. Okay, let's get started. Mamun's home district is Kishoreganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. 13 upazilas, 108 unions and 1745 villages. The name of Kishoreganj from Old Landlord, Brojakishore Pramanik or Nandakishore Pramanik. The area of Kishoreganj municipality kilometers 10. The river of Norsonda flows through the town. Kishoreganj is very small town, but there are many important places in around it. Kishoreganj is also home district by famous people. Upendra Kishore Roy Choudhury, Jainul Abedin and first assistant Soyed Nazrul Islam for the town. Mamuns like your home district. That's all my information. Stay with me for the next video. Okay, bye.